perform the indicated operations and simplify. So first we have to do operation in parentheses. We have addition of algebraic fractions. We know that we need to have a common denominator. So first fraction we will copy algebraic fraction 3xyz over xy plus yz plus xz, and we have minus. And now in the numerator, the common denominator, what will be? We have x, y, z. It means we have to multiply x times y times z, so the common denominator will be x, y, z. We have only x here, so we have to multiply that x by y, z. Whatever I did with the denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. So I have to multiply this numerator times y, z. Next denominator, because I need x, y, z, so I have to multiply by x, z. Whatever I did with the denominator, I have to do the same with numerator, so will be times x, z. And the last fraction, we have only z, so I have to multiply times x, y. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do the same with numerator, so will be times x, y. And now let me copy this. We have in the denominator x, y, z. So in the numerator, this is x minus 1 times y, z. And we have plus. First I will put x, next y, and z in alphabetic order with variables. So will be x, y, z. And we have y minus 1 times x, z. And we have plus x, y, z times, in numerator will be z minus 1 times x, y. And in denominator we need the common denominator also. So we have z, y, x. So common denominator will be x, y, z. I have to multiply z by x, y. Whatever I did with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. So it will be times x, y. I have y, so I have to multiply times x, z. The same I have to do with numerator times x, z. And x I have to multiply times y, z. The same with numerator y, z. So now I will have in the denominator x, y, z. I just put x, y, z in the alphabetic order, and numerator 1 times xy is xy. Next we have plus x, y, z. 1 times xz is xz, and we have plus xyz in the denominator, and we have 1 times yz is yz. So this is equal. I have to copy first fraction. We have 3xyz over xy plus yz plus xz. So next minus, and now we have to copy the main fraction bar, and we have the same denominators, so we have to copy denominator x, y, z, and we have to add numerators. So we have x minus 1 times yz plus y minus 1 times xz plus z minus 1 times xy. And in denominator we have x, y, z, common denominator, and we have to now add numerators. So it will be x, y plus x, z plus y, z. So this is equal. We will copy first algebraic fraction. minus, and now I will change the main fraction bar to division. So let me copy first fraction. We have x minus 1 times yz plus y minus 1 xz plus z minus 1 xy over xyz, have division sign, and we have to copy denominator, so this is xyz in the denominator, and numerator is xy plus xz plus yz. So this is equal. Next, we have division, we have subtraction, division. First we have to do division, so we have to copy first fraction, so we have 3xyz over xy plus yz plus xz minus we have, and now we have to copy first fraction and we have to change division sign to multiplication, and we have to flip our second fraction, and we can do multiplication in the numerator. So let's put this whole fraction in the bracket, so will be x times yz, this is x yz, negative 1 times yz, so will be negative yz, and we have plus y times xz, so will be x yz, negative 1 times xz, so will be negative xz, and next we have z times xy, so will be plus xyz, and we have negative 1 times xz, so it's negative xy, of course, and we have over xyz. Division we have to change to multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction, so will be xyz over xy plus xz plus yz, close brackets. So this is equal. First fraction we have to copy, so we have 3xyz over xy plus yz plus xz minus, and now we have multiplication, so we can reduce. We have xyz and xyz, so now we will have 1 and 1, so 1 times this whole expression will be the same expression, so let's combine the like terms xyz, xyz and xyz. So this 3 expression we can add, it will be 3xyz minus, we have yz minus xz and minus xy. So next we have over 1 times this whole expression, so will be xy plus xz plus yz. So this is equal. We have the same denominator, so we can subtract, we copy denominator, and we will have to subtract numerators. So it will be xy, first I will put yz, and next xz. So we have 3xyz, and we have negative sign before this whole expression. So negative and positive give me negative, so it will be negative 3xyz. Next, negative and negative give me positive yz. Negative and negative give me positive xz. And negative give me positive xy. So this is equal. Next, we have 3xy minus 3xy, so we can reduce this and that. And what we have, we can first put xy expression, next yz, and we have xz. Why I did this? Because in the denominator we have exactly the same order, xy plus yz plus xz, the same numerator and denominator. So we can reduce this whole expression, be 1 and 1. 1 over 1 is 1. So this is my solution.